In this video, I will guide you on how to turn off Grok on X. You cannot completely remove Grok tab or icon from the X interface as it is built-in feature of the platform. However, you can turn off its ability to use your data for training and disable personalization features. For that, launch open the X app. Now tap on the profile icon at the top left corner of your screen. From here, select Settings and Support. Then tap on Settings and Privacy. Now from this list, you want to find Privacy and Safety. Go ahead and scroll down and select the option of Grok and third-party collaborators. Now you will find a couple of options here. Make sure that you toggle off all of these switches. So go ahead and toggle off each one by one. Now, once that is done, you want to clear your Grok history. If you have used Grok and want to remove your past interactions, then you want to select the option of Delete Conversation History. Tap on the Confirm Deletion option to remove your inputs and results from their system. Next thing you want to do is head back. Here, under the Privacy and Safety option, you will find Audience and Tagging. Go ahead and toggle on the option of Protect Your Post, then toggle on the option of Protect Your Videos. After that, find the option of Photo Tagging and make sure that you have set that to off. That's all for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.